because by me I could for a baby a chira. Or no, so you for sample for a baby a chira. Now, thank you, Pamo na Edio Coffee.
No,
Because since they came,
institution where no, do they think
no, because they are not thinking. NDC for an engineer. I'm going to say, I see a dunketia, a viper. But as someone say, send the propaganda and send a better communication. I'm going to call position 2016. As I declare 2020. Yeah. Now, today I'm declaring on my own platform here. If you can mark my words. 2024, NDC NDC will lose massively.
And yeah,
NDC will lose. Be our own. First below I am on one. Now, 1.5 million votes.
Yeah.
And last year, 500,000.
Brother Phyllis, me Chawano, 1.5 no. Muma yenya na be a 3 because Charlotte Sebe catcher say, or only deputy a critique constitution say big muma and constituency and look at 1.5 margin by you know. And he said, some constituencies are the ghost ones. We mutaku muni na ko free moi and the NDC in 2016 about one and go munya be 10%.
Yes. Now unim me to asono 2020 about what omoko ye no say enya the fact say uni etie pa na apathy kakra on oppose no ekofa assembly yen ya anke be ha dwene na de ma enkrofo ye san ko mo ne NDC fo be ko adwene ba akunu no was this so yesisium
yes
until say Johnson Esiedun ketia be can the place omoboa yesisi who ye ni foko ye wini. So now the little people now omoko sympathizing with Esiedun Kehisabe NDC no because of what Esiedun ketia have said now bebre ejun hu bio
of course
face the country by enkrofo bebre na be dwan ne ye okaya emu started dwan we bro mu ko independence square ka say omo person a constitutional overthrow e ho me yansafo na efra ni na ka say he na momo si yen yo man you afa dem so yenkoye ku dita said the ya to petrol mu it mean koye ku hey there be and people started backing out from them and so it will be for 2024 o for some of now omo dwen so omo yi na free minti omo awie no mo de mu behu e free na eko chemendru me free Ghana ba me no di nkomo bi na me ka kire wo say e free 2023 ya kudu 2024 no obeto samia e wo airways no so e na start no utie obeto samia e na start no hwa these people thinking say Pito Tukono say no wakoye doctor ntino on to me radical the way omope 80 years you understand oh they look at the people they went for and then make us Chairman Drew kasa say ya fa Esiedun ketia the man at the helms of affairs now wo kura ubetumi awie no utie wo kura ubetumi awie no because tie unim de ntia we dama ye besi blocks nya de aye disisi ye na conflict of interest oka ho
anyone that catches any blocks no cement shisemu no iron rods
auto ono aneton ye good Esiedun ketia na nkasa so no sebi yemi a yenim ne niama de yenim ne niama very corrupt guy now ufri ne so now kofa so fo azoka ono kura de ye bete ne say go yenim say and then so far Zokadeba, other than arranging talks to go and man police stations. 2020, omo ye and Siaga, you will catch them now 2024. So omo yes a son of Mobaya, Unia, ye we have the apparatus of
simple. Yes, Operation Shoot and Kill.
We have the whole state apparatus to our favor. And if you can do the best of them 1 week, said they want to make carry. Now, yes, you chrome ya the brand best and say your belt will be papa 2024. And you see a papa as a monster.
Massa, Yes, we yamu ya na chesa fa yire kwache.
Dabi. Uyamuya won't find you because me say these people think say Yakofa Zoka, first vice chair. Me say squad or mofa in na papa ba kupene wumu. Sharia ite ono class no hoko. Me say but honorable Hobson, when you be a D to mean Kasa MPP by ye, Wunya Shindi ye. I would not agree with that, honorable Hobson. You have benefited. You have seen grace. They say your Hobson Adoyedia is just not an ordinary name, it is a big name. Enabling the environment around your name so you can use your name to eat. That is what the government does.
Omunila are part of the problem. Corruption, that's
No, seriously, they are really part of the problem.
Yes, corruption, that's
Meaning, they are really part of the problem because this is us selling a message that we want to break the eight, which is not an easy job to do. Then you say, when you've been the jow, and you're the NDC for Kodidi, me pa chow, another message, ya me person, me catcher chairman, Abronya, any chairman Hobson, any nobody that thinks like them, then they say, ye abeyi na nado dan kwa kufuado say Ombeya president of Ghana and not president of MPP.
Thank you.
And you just NDC for your contract, did ya? In any case, Mwana mo say NDC for the Omoba Omunkro Quanti and yet Yam Pamu NDC for na MPP Mbrana ya ba ye cha and so be also Chairman Drew Obia Ghana no ya MPP Niana.
Dabi.
Obiana etu about Ghana. So wouldn't you rather want a president here? Ocha dianin kakra no bipa onya ne party ni pwen that is a president.
That's right.
A president is not the one like Mahama who come and tip money at party office there. More faces is dying. Now your hospitals go on ya. Ya kwan go on ya. Honorable Hobson, ukro mukwan ya. Ya ukro mukwan. Abronya, one kasaba betna radio so, any TV so, and mikro mubuno. Ya ba ye 801 kilometers. Master, Abronya, master of communication. And ya busian ya. Sika ukromu for benefit but who say yan family mansion and mouse abronya communicate ya papa wentino yan says gamma hopes in money one munkodintino one kasa party ubeguno go to the public sector. Yes, exactly. Go to private sector. He didn't come for we need the chairman say somebody like honorable hopes on yamobo miminim no so what you say on yamobo wabobra. Chairman, all jokes aside.
Yeah.
All jokes aside. Into another minimum why on this side here we are vendetta the day because party nankasa the sika he crown who hopes in the amount. Same with Abron at least on the chairman into another chairman sika beba. But chairman, I can tell you on authority say from 2020 yet to Aberia yet to now no Abron to 2 cars. Case ben okodi here. Okodi case ben. And your party who done now, so what party who done now, you didn't threat to the radio, so near Casa, last on one the general Casa, maybe sending $200,000 to say, Mammy no more, saying MPP. Mammy no more, Bronya, no, he's saying MPP, over the Casamaya. I am a moon, yes, sir. Now, more, I must say, the end is 4 years, and so when they are by some greediness, greedy, and the minya be idea now to say. What are you looking for? You want development for your country or you want to develop your bellies? We need to cut that crap out. We are above that. Obi Nimukai and fake news. I'm above to that. Yabre. And I made communication. And I made communication. And Yama Apasiampa for party way. And I'm making it believe say they are a credible alternative. And I'm to me, say NDC a credible alternative. Because something never calculate TV so yapamome into me buafu. Abronya never calculate visa and I na go for na NDC for na send up go into the NDC for mu nipa wo mu free Ghana. Now sabi chairman, if you want to win your enemy, what do? Don't you do the things that will trap them close to you?
Of course.
You guys know nothing about governance. You just know how to talk. Into no, mobile TV, radio, so fact, no program. But inside your heart is corrupt. 100% corrupt. You are angry with your party because your party is not stealing money for you. That is corruption. Yantu abama na na do dan kwaku fo ado say womra na womra medi sebi MPP for so na every month bia no on try by the 10 fan to party office. He is the president of Ghana. Ede na ye no when na beka so wonya bi when ya one more kasa no chairman, that is the part that pisses me off. When you do the checks here, one more they've all eaten. Round one, they were there, they were fixed. Me and my boss hopes and now